Okay, today we're going to put the carb kit in the McCulloch 3214. I'll be honest with you, I really don't know when this saw was actually made, but I will put it up here on the screen. I think this was before Husqvarna bought out McCulloch. I'm not 100% sure, but I will put it up here on the screen. Like I said, I've been waiting on this carb kit for I don't know, a couple weeks. I've actually took the saw apart and cleaned it, put new gas lines on it, filters, and it shouldn't be too hard to actually do this. I mean, because you know, there's not very many videos on this actual saw itself. Okay, I got a little small flathead screwdriver for tuning. Got my carb kit. Impact, I know it's kind of stupid to actually go this route, but guess what? I get tired of turning a screwdriver, so I know this is a lot easier. Should be using the one that's got the actual speeds on it. Yeah, don't like that at all. One thing that's actually going to suck is I've got fuel pressured up in the bulb, and it's going to come out in here, which I don't think it's really too bad. Where I have took this apart, I think that it's really easy to get the throttle cable off. So what I need to do is get me a napkin. I do know that I'm getting ready to get gas all over me. Okay, it went down in the bulb. That was cool. Okay, here goes your inline gas from the tank. Push this up out of the way. There's probably going to be gas inside the carburetor. I'd guess. This is a Zama carburetor, so you guys can see. Right there. I really don't know when this was actually made either. The bottom gasket is in pretty good shape, so I shouldn't have to peel that one off. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the bottom, well, the back, towards the back where the trigger is. We're going to start with that side first. So, four-way screwdriver. This makes it a lot easier to deal with, I think. Doing carbs for chainsaws are kind of easy. At first I was really reluctant to actually learn how to do it myself, because I was actually scared I was going to break something, but you know, it's made out of steel, and I don't know what gaskets are actually made out of, but my guess is, whoa, that feels pretty good, but I don't know why it's maybe one side of it's stuck, one of it's not. I really don't understand that. But anyways, I was scared to actually do carburetors because I didn't think that that I could actually do it. Okay. Make sure everything's down on the bottom of the bag. All new parts. Spring feels pretty good inside there. That screw looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. It looks pretty clean actually on this side. But here's our new one, and I think that it goes this way. It's pretty much going in reverse how you do this part of it. Got a little tab right here. Make sure it drops down in this hole right here. Actually, it's that one. This is the first time I actually work on this carb. Put the 4-way screws back down in there. This is actually a learning experience for myself. I've cleaned a few, but not nothing huge. I did change the I changed the gaskets and everything out on that that Home Light 775D. All I had to do was basically buy a this is a steel 090 070 carb. Yeah, I broke the yeah, I broke it. The one that holds the little thing in there. Yeah, I broke it. But anyways, you can take all the gaskets and everything out of it and put it in that carb because that one's a Tilson, and instead of all your jets right here on the side, they are in the back of the carb. Well, the older ones anyway. All I did was reverse the way I took it apart. This side of the carb is a little bit different if you've never took one apart. Ooh, that was on there pretty good. Well, this little part right down in here is not clogged. If you can, let's see, I'll get it a little closer. Right there. It's not clogged. Okay, you got a gasket. Oh, okay. There's a gasket and a screen. See, there's a screen and there's a gasket. Those were in there pretty good. The inside of it looks a little nasty. Just gonna wipe it out. Screen down in here, you can see down in here, it's got some sawdust on it, like very little though. So what I'm going to do is take it out and replace it. If I can actually find everything that I needed to actually do this, and I'm not prepared at all. Sorry about this. Nope, that's not it. That's not it. Got it out. Where are you? There you are. It's always good to have a little pick to take stuff out with. You can put down in your jets, like your holes right through here, to see if they're clogged. They're not clogged. They look pretty good. Screen out, and your carb kit comes with another one, which is right here. Let's see if I can do it with this little small flat way. I know this is going to be a little aggravating. surprised nobody's asked me a question about why I have a fan in the background all the time. I'll be honest with you. I'm a hot-blooded person, and whenever I sweat, I sweat. I know this is going to be aggravating. Come on. Come on, back out there. Yeah, this is kind of aggravating. Be nice to actually have something that actually would push that down in there, like the diameter of it. Let's see if I can push it down in there from the side. Not really. Yep, this is right. Hey, I got it. Okay. Best way to replace your steps is to look at your gasket. It's going to look like that. I'm going to need this piece. Let's see. Like that. And like that. I don't know if I want to use this plastic. Give me. So what I'm going to do is just put her in there just like this, the way it was. Now, let's clear all this off, make sure we don't drop any pieces. Get our carb back over here. Got your gasket already on the bottom. It goes. Gas line back on from the tank. Wasn't too bad. From your bubble. Okay. Does that sit completely? Yep, there it goes. Why does that look different from me? Let's try it again. Okay. Let's see. Put it all back together. Might as well, because it won't take that long to take her back apart. She's getting there.